So, hi dear Capricorn, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a health and career reading for all the Capis Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the end of September 2025. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So, let's start. Nowhere I'm declaring that I'm a medical practitioner and you should follow my advice on a medical level or in career level too. It's just a guidance. If you resonate, good. If you don't, it's not for you. Then please don't take it as equal to medical guidance or expert career guidance. Okay, now let's start. Okay, Cappies, for your health for this rest of the month of September 2025. I don't know why I feel like today's 20th of September. Morning, I'm feeling like it's 20th of September. It's 18th, right? 18, 19 doesn't exist for me, right? Like, okay. So, in your health, I'm really sorry about the cold thing. It happens a lot with me. I'm working on it a lot on my health. So, bear with me with my voice and with my nose voice. If it is irritating you, you can skip the video today. No worries. Okay, honey? Judgment. So for your health, it is like you will be able to let go of certain kind of addictions, something that you were holding on to in your health area. Let's say you are addicted to sweets or smoking or drinking, or if not anything, you might be, you know, even if you are doing healthy things excessively, they become a poison for us. So there is certain kind of energy of letting go of something that you are kind of doing from quite a long time in your life. So this is something that's bothering you now, and you guys have to let it go. And finally, you're realizing that letting go of this addiction, of this situation, is the only solution here. When we talk about health, it's about physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual health, right? For most of us, spiritual health is not that much valid because 90% of us not are not on that path. I'm talking about physical, mental, and emotional health. So there are certain things that you are planning to let go of in order to maintain your good health. Nice, very nice. The guidance here is the Wheel of Fortune. Whatever you are changing or whatever you are planning to change in your energies, they are going to that thing is going to give you good results, but it's going to take time for you to adapt with the changes. It's not going to happen overnight. Let's say you quit smoking today and you're going to feel better from tomorrow onwards. In fact, I have heard that like if people quit smoking suddenly, they have a lot of side effects. They have to go through a lot. Yeah. So try to do it gently. Try listen to your body. First of all, listen to your own body. Whatever you're planning to release here, try to release it gently. Or take your time, or whatever you are doing, it's going to show you results, not instantly but eventually. Okay, that's the guidance here. So adapting with the changes, going with the flow is very important for you guys. Give it some time. For those of you who are working for others or doing job, we have the Knight of Pentacles. Although this might be a very stable career opportunity, something that's giving you bread and butter, but you are not able to see the growth here, and or you feel like stagnant. You feel like nothing is happening, nothing is growing. For some of you, you are feeling emotionally and mentally drained in the situation. You feel like, okay, I'm doing too much, I'm doing whatever I can do from my side, this is giving me good amount of money also, maybe this is a very grounded kind of energy, and it's stagnant. It's not moving anywhere, it's not going anywhere. So lack of progress or lack of this enthusiasm in the situation is going to make you feel like, should I go for it, or should I leave the situation, or should I just look for other opportunities. So there is going to be energy of stagnancy and feeling lack of growth, lack of expansion, lack of uh, what we call that passion and desire in the situation in your job career area. So you will be like, okay, let me think about it. For you, the guidance is the Seven of Cups. If you're overwhelmed, if you're emotionally overwhelmed and so confused right now that you're not able to understand what you should do nothing at all. Take your time, balance your emotions, balance your energies first. Once you are going to be emotionally, mentally um, um, and physically stable enough to understand what you should do and what you should not do. Do not take any kind of major decisions while your energies are overwhelmed, while your energies are all over the place. Take your time, don't make any kind of life changing decisions in this kind of energy. That's going to be a difficult to deal with the situation if not taken care of in a proper way. Just give me a second. Okay, so take your time before making any kind of life changing decisions. So, if you are having your own business or self employed, we have the Six of Pentacles. It's going to be like whatever effort and energy you are going to give to your business thing, it's going to give you the equal results. It's going to be equal give and take of energy kind of a deal, no major losses, no major profit. It's like just flowing, nothing big happening here. I mean, it's kind of whatever you are going to put in the effort and energy into, it's going to give you the results accordingly, but no major shifts or no major changes happening as of now. It's like balanced kind of thing. Whatever you are going to invest, you are going to get back. Equal give and take of energy. Yes. The guidance for you guys is the Three of Cups. If you feel like you should like do partnership or collaborations, you should invite other people to have some kind of growth and expansion in your business thing. You can think about it. You can think about this business collaboration partnership. You can go to the get-togethers or parties where like-minded people are coming. Even if you are not looking forward to have collaboration or partnership, you can go to the seminars or you can go to those meetings and those things that can help you to grow your business further. Let's say, for example, you have a business of AI, and you're doing everything possible from your side to keep it going because you know the AI is the future or something. But now you are feeling like you're not growing the way you wanted to grow. So you might feel like upscaling your skills in some way, upgrading your skills. So you can go for that. You can think about it, and you are going to get good results also. There are very good chances of that. There's no harm in learning something new. No harm at all. If you are continuously not learning, if you feel like you have learned everything, your growth is going to stop. Every one of us, right? So we have to learn continuously. For job seekers and for those who are trying to start a new business or restart, we have the Magician. So right now, this is a manifestation phase going on. Right now, your energies might be changing every other day. One day you feel like I should go in Air Force. Then other day you feel like, okay, I should do business. For some of you, you feel like, okay, I'm very, very clear that this is the path I should go on, but still things are not working out. They are just under process. So either you are not able to take the proper action the way you guys should, or there is lack of clarity, a lack of understanding of how your career should look like, how your business should look like. So that's why this is manifestation in process. It's not happening because again lack of clarity or lack of action is there from your side. And for those of you who are doing everything possible from their side and there's clarity also, your manifestation is about to come to fruition very, very soon. So just keep going. Okay, do not give up. You will be able to figure it out very, very soon. So action, proper action and proper clarity and understanding of what you want and how you want is should be there. Then the action plan. Then the manifestation is going to come to fruition. The guidance here is justice. Whatever you are doing, do not take the unethical part or illegal part, the path that you should not be going on. Otherwise, even if you are something is going to work out for a short span of time, so something that's not good or something that's unethical or not based on true roots, it will like definitely come back to you to haunt you sometime at some point of time. So try not to do things just to get quicker success or easy success. Because again, even if it is not going to hurt you or harm you right now, it might come back to haunt you later on. So keep your boxes in check, keep your energies and karmic things in check. Okay. For your finances, we have the Ten of Cups. You might feel like going on a trip, luxurious trips, or gifting your family something because you are going to feel financially very happy and content. You are going to feel the investments that you are working on, the savings that you are working on are giving you good results. And or for some of you, you have you have saved enough that now you can give your family something good. So it's like a gifting things to your people, things like people who you are really really close to, and you are going to enjoy the finances. It's going to be stable finances, stable energies of enjoying it with your family or people who are like family to you, and thinking that yes, you have saved enough or invested enough, or you are getting good returns, so now you can enjoy your life. So there is the stability in finances till the end of this month for you guys, Cappies. The guidance here is the Seven of Swords. Make sure that the thing that you're calling the stability is actually the stability. There is no lies, there's no deception, there's no manipulation kind of energy around you. Somebody might try to scam you or do some kind of quick money, or sell you some kind of quick money making schemes or something, and you might be making scenarios in your mind that what if I'm going to get 2 cr out of 50 lakhs, then I'm going to like take my family, then I'm going to have a bungalow and car and everything. So beware of quick money making schemes, beware of scams, beware of people, things, or situations that are not might not be that true. So there might be deceptive energies around you who will try to get your money, and you might end up losing it. So please beware of investing your money in those situations where things are not legit, or things are not that good, but they promise you something good in return. So beware of those kind of fraudster scam kind of energies. Yeah. Okay, let me see the final guidance for you guys to close this reading. We have, take great pride in your excellent work. You are doing fantastically beautiful, Capricorn. So be proud of yourself. Practice makes perfect. So there is something that needs a lot of practice, that needs a lot of patience. That was in your health area too. Consider getting additional education or training. I told you this as well. Whenever we think that we have done enough, we should not do anything more. Our growth stops at that point only. So it's just a confirmation that whatever I told you guys, it's exactly the same guidance. So we are on the right track. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.